Nakaregalo ka rin namin ng wheelchair.
Reynaldo.
Ayan, 2 slides na
Naka-wheelchair,
lang.
nag-diamond.
Grabe naman,
Grabe.
no? Ayan. The greatest
Magda-diamond.
mind living a good life. Huwag mo po nating kalimutan yan. Okay? If you want to be really successful, we need to have a good life. Lahat po tayo dito magiging millionaire. Naniniwala ba kayo?
Yes, yes, yes.
Pero we need to live a good life. Short list ng good life, number 1, productivity. Baka pag nagte-10 million naman ka na, pahila-hilata ka na lang. Ganun eh, pag-inood ng TV, di ba? If you don't produce, you won't be happy. Kailangan meron pa rin ginagawa, alright? Number 2, good friends. Living a good life is having a good friends. Sino yung good friends? That's the greatest support in the world. Good friends. Yung good friends, ito yung alam lahat sa'yo, kaloob-looban mo. He know everything all about you, pero love ka pa rin niya. Yan ang good friend. Di ba? Kahit sino ka pa. Ayan, di ba? Another thing, spirituality. If you know something with value, anything valuable to you, ang kailangan mong gawin dyan, study, practice, and teach. Pag-aralan mo, gawin mo, ituro mo. That's spirituality. Okay? And number 4, yung don't miss anything. Don't miss the training. Don't miss the words. Grabe, dami nating na words. Doon tayo po na-inspire. Di ba? Don't miss the movie. Alright? So if you live well, you will earn well. So last slide na ako. Sorry. Yan. Your habits are 1,000 times more powerful than your desire. Sino dito? Taon-taon na lang sinasabi, mag-e-exercise na ako. Di ba? Magda-diet na ako. Bukas na lang, sarap ng ulan. Di ba? Meron bang gano'n? Grabe, no? Sa dami ng beses na sinabi mo na yan o narinig mo yan, alam mo ba kung bakit walang nangyayari? Tanong nyo, bakit? Ayan, no? Your habits are 1,000 times more powerful than your desire. And habits, meron pong dalawa. Habits of action. Ano ba yung habit of action? Pag-isip mo, automatic. Tututbrush ka, nagsusukli ka. Automatic na yan. Pag nag-drive ka, magugulat ka na lang, nasa opisina ka na. Automatic. Habits mo na kasi yan eh. Automatic. Ano yung second habit? Habit of thoughts. Alright? Mag-reflect po tayo. Ano yung thoughts mo everyday? Baka yung isip mo lagi, talon na ako, kawawa naman ako, ayoko na, mahirap lang kami, wala akong pinag-aralan, mahina utak ko, senior lang ako, bata pa ako. Habit of thoughts. Napaprocess po yan ng belief natin, ng brain natin. So I hope, after this day, yung belief po natin mabago. Ako, sabi ko nga kanina, may mapulot lang kayo. 1, 2, 3 philosophy. Iuwi nyo, baunin nyo. I-apply nyo sa negosyo nyo. I tell you, 2 to 3 years from now, we are all millionaires.
Yes!
So with that, congratulations! I'm Coach Herb. See you at the happy anniversary, Dream Makers.
Wow! Congratulations, Coach First! Ang dami namin take home dyan sa topic mo. Congrats sa'yo, my dear. Ayan. So, tuloy-tuloy tayo, no? Para
What's
sa